So if you make a cruise comment, you write in a cruise comment, even if it's a valid comment, you could have an absolute valid comment. Why is it necessary to end it or start it or to have it anywhere in there with the words, I am platinum? What in the hell does your loyalty level have to do with making a suggestion? Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's comment. All right, I've got one for you today. Now, honestly, the comment itself, it has validity. There's nothing wrong with it. It's an opinion. They're giving their opinion, and it's a valid opinion because you could go either way on that. But why throw your loyalty level in it? Why throw your family's loyalty level in it? What does that have to do with the comment? I agree with the OP. Their room service plates and plates from the Lido should be kept in the room, not outside it. I am platinum, and so is my wife and daughter platinum. So for the basic comment, they think that any plates that you get from room service or you bring down from the Lido deck should be kept inside your room, not placed out in the hallway. Because yes, you can walk down the hallway heading towards your room and you can see plates outside of doors. Now the cruise lines have you do that on purpose, and the reason the cruise lines say to do that is they have special people, teams that come along, collect those plates, collect those glasses, collect that silverware, and take it back to where it belongs. It's picked up by a different group of people, and they take everything back to where it goes. That is why the cruise lines say, hey, put it outside your door. Now, I get that you're walking down the corridor to your room and seeing plates with half-eaten food on it. It's not the most attractive thing. So I get where that is coming from. And when you're looking at it purely from an aesthetic standpoint of, hey, this isn't what I want to see, I get why you would want them kept in your room versus putting them outside. That's a valid opinion, I think. But the part I got to question is why do you have to end it with, I am platinum? You know what? My wife is platinum. My daughter is platinum. What does that have to do with where the plate should go? It comes across as entitlement. It comes across as, because I'm platinum, you should be listening to me. You should be doing it the way I want it. And anybody who is below me in status, if you're just a gold member or something like that, your opinion is not as valid as mine. That's how it comes across. So if you're going to write in cruise comments, you know what? Leave that crap out of there. Because you can have an opinion, you can make a statement, you can have a suggestion, and it doesn't have to revolve around your loyalty level. But like always, let me throw it out there to you guys. How do you guys feel about this one? Do you think plates should be kept in the room? Do you think plates should go out in the hallway? Do you not care either way? And do you think because you're platinum, your opinion should matter more than anybody else's? All right, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.